Hi guys, I'm Craig from DCC Concepts, and if you're watching this video, that means you have an AEGIS system and you've just ordered yourself one of our AEGIS cases. If you come with me now, I'll show you how easy it is to put together and even expand it. So here's a quick overview of everything you get within your AEGIS case set, and we're just going to take a few moments now to go over the various components together, just so we know where we are for when we do get ready to install it. We have the lid, two side panels, now these are sided so do take note of which is which, two triangular leg supports so you can mount the unit at an angle, and a wiring harness cap. Next we're going to prepare and inspect our AEGIS unit, and when we insert it we're going to make sure we line it up with the 4 screw holes and make sure it's nice and flush in the fascia with nothing sticking out. But for the time being, don't be tempted to screw things in because we need to get some things plugged in at the back before we do. First we're going to route the wire for the power supply. Now make sure you do it on the inside, not the outside, so the wires will come out of the back. Next, using the same technique as before, we're going to plug in the wires for the track power and the programming track. Please note you want the wires to be sticking on the inside of the case and not the outside. And once you're happy with the placement of your wires, you can use the harness inside the unit to make sure they're nice and secured and routed out of the way. You can also do the same with the power supply as well. You'll notice the power supply retention block is just over to the right hand side there, and it just pops in to keep things nice and secure and tidy out of the way. And once you're happy with this, you can then move to the wiring retention clip, and this just sits neatly on top of the track power and the programming track power feeds, and you can see there it just clips into place nice and gently. And once you're happy with everything and everything's nice and tucked away in its place, it's time to finish the rest of the case. First we're going to start with the top hatch, or the roof if you will, and you'll notice there's a large magnet, and it really is just a simple case of sliding it into place and letting the magnet do the hard work, and you notice the wires just neatly hang out the bottom there, out of the way. And it's very much the same sort of process for the side panels as well, although they are sided, and you'll notice a magnet is key to locating them. You can just see it slides in there, nice and simple, very little in the way of force required there, just to put them in, and it's the same for the other side. And once those are all clipped in, you have your completed AEGIS case. You can now feel free to screw the unit in place, or if you wish, you can use the optional legs to mount on the bottom of the unit, and this just allows you to mount the unit at a slight angle, which will help further increase the ventilation there. And again, it's the same as the other side clips, they just pop on the bottom there, very easy to mount in place. And you can easily further expand your AEGIS case with the alpha panel and alpha meter case as well. And it comes with its own set of nifty little brackets, and it's designed to clip on the side of your main AEGIS case with this handy little slider there. Just simply remove either of the side panels on the AEGIS unit, which allows you to feed the wires between the two cases, and then put the slider unit on there. This will allow you to join the two cases together nice and easily. And once you've done that, you can simply put the roof panel back on as well. Clearly you'd want to install whatever unit it is inside before you do this though. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed that and found it helpful and informative. Remember, if you do have any troubles or questions or problems, just give us a quick call or send us an email. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon.